What's up mga kalangad? This is Arnold, your friendly PWD in action. Today's vlog is pipiknik tayo sa season, somewhere in season sa may Colorado Resort. So samahan nyo kami. What's up mga kalangad? Dito tayo ngayon sa Colorado Resort. Dito sa Bantayan Chick Season Pangasinan. So banding tayo dito, family banding. So daming tao. Sa mga low budget dyan, pwede na dito kasi ang cottage nila is 150. Tapos bata at saka matanda, it's worth 20 pesos. So worth it. So kaso maraming tao. So hindi ko alam kung makakaligo tayo or hindi, but we'll try our best na maligo. This is a spring, natural water ito, galing mismo sa lupa. So ganda, fresh na fresh yung water, safe. In case na umihi ka dito, at least naanod yung ihi. So malamig yung tubig, so try natin mamaya maligo, magtampisaw. So guys, this is a natural spring. So safe naman siya. Flowing yung water. So safe siya. So maraming tao. So i-consider na natin na maraming tao kasi it's a weekend. At saka due to pandemic siguro, dahil nabuburiyo na yung mga tao, they need to unwind. At least hindi na puro gadget ang mga nilalaro ng bata. So, matatagpuan natin itong Bantayan Chick Colorado Resort dito sa Season Esperanza, Season Pangasinan. So, it's a 4 to 5 kilometers away from the National Highway. Paglagpas lang ano to, pag galing ka Manila, paglagpas lang ng bridge ng Season Pangasinan at saka ng Rosario. So, it's an interior guys. So, loob-looban siya. So, ayan. Jacuzzi! Jacuzzi! ka, Balok, kaway. Kaway ka, kaway. Ligo ka na? Ligo ka na?
Now we are here in the resort. Resort
Colorado Resort.
Colorado Resort. I am blessed to here to be with my kuya, and I'm happy to be with kuya for inviting me here. Thank you so much, and I appreciate so much.
Yes, ate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You better watch this because this is good. Yeah.
Thank you. Adam, ayan mo, sumalong kan. nyo guys. Lamig ka ng tubig. Sarap ng tubig. Lamig na.
We are introducing this resort of... Ano ba yung resort na daw, kuya?
Colorado Resort.
Colorado Resort. And
Thank you.
yeah, please come and visit this. If you ever watch this, come and enjoy with us. We're coming to enjoy in this place.
Lamig ng tubig.
The very nature is very cold. Nice to swim.
So if you like this video, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Pag di pa ka nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na kayo. Don't forget to push the bell button for notification para ma-update kayo kung may mga bagong video. Thanks for watching guys. See ya sa next vlog. Don't forget to fish. Don't forget to press. Don't forget.